Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to be looking at geometric mean. Okay, this is day 2 of geometric mean. So yesterday we learned something called PAP, which was using geometric mean for a relationship within triangles to find missing sides. Today we're going to do something similar, except just a different relationship. Okay, so yesterday we learned the abbreviation PAP for part, altitude, part. So today we're looking at HLLP, which is Hypotenuse-Leg-Leg-Part. Okay, so note that leg A and part A are on the left-hand side and leg B and part B are on the right-hand side. So for HLLP, we could say that the hypotenuse over leg A equals leg A over part A. So as you could guess over here, we could say the hypotenuse over leg B equals leg B over part B. Okay, so let's go ahead and use this relationship on example 1. So again, we already know we're going to use HLLP. Okay, so I have my whole hypotenuse here as 14. I have this part as 8. Okay, but if I'm finding x, that's the leg on the left-hand side, so I also need the part on the left-hand side. So 14 minus 8 goes to 6. So now I can say 14 over x equals x over 6. So now I just cross multiply, use my cross product rule. So x squared equals 14 times 6 goes to 84. I square root both sides. I get x is the square root of 84, which actually even simplifies to 2 root 21. Okay, let's look at example 4 real quick. So I want to find x and y. So x is my altitude, okay? And that's one thing I need to find. And I also need to find y. So I want to do this example because we can use both HAP and HLLP. So to find x, that's the altitude, so clearly we'll use PAP. Y is a leg that we need to find, so clearly we would use HLLP. So let's start with finding x, so PAAP. So we have one part, 6 over the altitude x equals the altitude x over 2. So I could say x squared equals 12, which means that x is the square root of 12, which also means that x equals 2 root 3. Finding y, my whole hypotenuse is both of these parts together, so this is 8, and we're looking at the leg on the right-hand side, so we'll use the part on the right-hand side. So we'll have 8 over y equals y over 2. So then we have y squared equals 16. So then we simply have y equals 4. And that's it. Thank you guys.